Hello everyone. So we are very excited to launch another cloud-based application which is known as Tickets. So here is the official website. Today I'm in this video going to give you a complete demonstration how this ticket app will help your organization. So basically it's kind of an application which help all the organization to support the customers or maybe external customers or maybe internal customers. So if you want to try this application, so definitely you can register here for free and you can just go to app. Then here under the customer engagement, you will see this application which is known as Ticket. So you can click on this. So this will look something like this. I will give you a complete demonstration for this. And so basically Ticket app is designed in a such a way so that you can simplify your support system. So these are few features like customer support, technical issue tracking, internal help desk. So within the organization, your IT team can support to the other departments queries or maybe some technical issues or something like that. Ongoing conversation, then the task follow-ups, then the support performance tracking. So these are few features which are already available there in the ticket applications. So once you are registered, you have to just click on the sign in, and whatever the login and ID passwords you have provided during the registration, so you have to use that, and you will be redirected directly to this which is the apps.tgmbizo.com. So here is the dashboard. So once you log in, you will not find this ticket app here. So what you have to do, you have to enable this first. So to enable this application, you have to go to this core platform, click on the core platform. Under the core platform, you will see the option called apps. Then click on that. So here you will see the ticket option. So here you have to click the activate. Once you click the activate, so again you have to click on the dashboard and you will see your ticket application is available here. Now how to use this? So click on this application. So this is the complete dashboard from where you can control each and everything. You can see all the information. So basically this ticket application is designed in a such a way, if you are the admin, so definitely you will see the entire view of the ticketing system. And if you are just login as a user, so definitely you will see your tickets only. Okay, so now how to create the ticket support form. So first of all, you need to click on the ticket forms, right? So basically from here you can create the ticket form. We have already created for our organization, which is TGM Academy support system. So you have to click on the create a ticket form. So provide the form name, then the headings, like the whatever the heading you want to provide, like TGM Academy support or something like that. Then the description. Then after the submission, once the user will register the complaint, so what the success message should say, right? You can write here, and according to your website theme, you can customize the color theme. And if you want to use this particular form for a specific domain, right, so you can just enable the domain security. So you can see if you click on yes, so it will enable the domain security. Add your domain here and create a form, right? Once you create a form, so form will look like something this. Then you can click here under the edit option. So you can see each and everything is available. You can see here, right, we have created the complete live form. It's a live form which is available in our official website, and our students are using this. And you can see we have implemented the domain security, and of course the domain, it's not the root domain. You have, if you are trying to use this form on a subdomain, you have to provide a subdomain. So that kind of a domain security we have provided. And under this you can see we have two more options, right? So one is status. If you do not want to use this, you can directly disable this from here. Okay, then there is a two option under the form type. One is the default one, right? So if you go with the default one, so it will, if I just open this, update this, and here we have the live system implemented. Let me click here. You can see the icon. So this is the icon which will appear wherever you place your coding. So it will look like something this. You will have the full name, email id, then subject and the message. This is the default form. So if you do not want this form, so definitely these four fields are mandatory, which will be there. But apart from this, if you want some additional information, so you can do that. How to go about that? Let me click on the edit here, right? First of all, I need to go under the custom form. Okay, let me update the custom form, right? So from here you can customize your form. Let me click here, and you can see you will be redirected to something like this, right? From where you can create, or maybe you can add the multiple fields as per your requirement. The way we want the enrollment number of the student. So definitely we have added this field here, and this is the custom form. So if you want to preview this, you can preview from here, right? So after the changes, you can click on the change and you can go back to your the ticket application again. So your form is ready. Now how to implement this particular form into your websites? Once you're done with all the settings, you then click on the embedded, and you can see you have the multiple option here. If you do not have the domain name, even though you want to go for this particular support form, then you can directly copy this link. This is dynamic link all by default created on our official website, which is TGMBizo. Without the domain, you can also use that. Just click this copy, and you can share it with your customer, so they can register the complaints or maybe support system, whatever you purpose you are using. And if you want the inline embedded, so you can copy this, or you can send to your developer if you are not familiar with the coding. So, okay, if you want the model embedded, then you can copy this and again share it with your what do you call the developers, so they will help you out with this implementation. Again, the icon, you can see this icon. If you do not want this red color, you can customize this color. So icon background color you can check from here. The icon color you can check from here, right? You can customize. Once you customize, then copy and share it with your the developer. They will implement for you. Okay, once that is done, you are all set. Now it is live here, right? So let me refresh once, and you can see it is here. It's seamlessly integrated. Okay, so you can see here now we have the customized form, not the default one. The best option is with this applications. So you, once you implemented the code, you do not if you have done some changes, you don't have to again copy and provide this code to your developer so that they can implement it. That's it, right? You need just one time, right? You need just one time to integrate with your official website. Then after, you can customize from here the way you want. It will be automatically implemented within that particular icon or maybe codings. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can see, let me raise a query here. I'm saying my name is Manjeet Singh. Here is my email id, and here is my enrollment number and subject. I want to enroll for, let's say, new year offer. Okay, so new year offer. Then I can provide the detail what I want. So please share the complete information or related to this offer, right? So again, your student can ask for anything, right? So this is the query as of now. Let me raise a query, and you can see I have got the ticket number. So this is the ticket number from where I can track the status of my ticket. Let me paste it here. Okay, so you can see, oh, this is the success message. You can do that. Okay, So now let me go back here. Under the assign ticket, you can see I have received the ticket, and you can see one of our students also registered the complaint, right, related to some video access. And you can see here we have the query which we have just registered, and you can see it's not assigned to anyone as of now. So click on the assign, and you can, if you are organization, you will have the multiple engineers with you, so you can select the name of the person whom you want to assign this. And you can also categorize this under some like technical, it is a technical support or non-technical support, or some journal inquiry or whatever. So how to go about the categories, you can see here we have the category option. Click on the category option, and from here you can create multiple categories the way you want. So we just need the tech support, so we have created the technical support, even though you can edit anytime and you can enable or disable, right? Let me go back to assign ticket. So you can see I will see all the tickets here, whatever the ticket are assigned to me, I will see here under the my ticket. So you can see as of now I do not have any ticket assigned to me. So let me assign this ticket to me. So let me click on the assign. Here is my ID. Let me categorize this the support ticket under the tech support. Let me assign this. So once it is assigned, you can see it is automatically removed from assigned ticket, because here you will only see the tickets which are opened, which are not assigned to anyone else. Or if you want to see all the tickets, you can click on the all the tickets. You will see all the tickets, right? Like what all the tickets which are still under open, which are there in the in progress, which are there in the waiting, which are there in the resolve section. Okay, so let me go back to my tickets. So it's very easy. You can click on here and you can see all the information related to this ticket. You can see each and everything. And even though say for example you need some time to resolve the query, right? So you can directly write a message for your customer. So it's a public, it will be under public. So if you want to just provide a remark for your internal team, so definitely you can click on the internal. So this internal message is only for your support or yourself or maybe your team members. That's it. It's only for the internal purpose. It will not be shown to your customer. Let me say I need time to complete this, right? This let's say 2 days. Okay, this is my internal message just for my reference and my internal team reference, and you can see it is created, right? So if you want the message to convey the message to your customer, so definitely you can go under the public. So if I'll say let me write we will update you shortly, maybe by today evening 5 p.m. Okay, so that's this is the message for my customer, right? Let me click send. So this is the message for my customer. So if my customer will go back to here and click on the track ticket, so the customer need to provide the ticket ID and his registered email, then track a ticket. And you can see right here is the ticket ID and everything, right? So now the customer can see the priority, right? And here you can see whoso the support person has reverted. So you can see this particular message is received by the customer from the support team. So even say after reading this message, if your customer want to provide some other information, so they can write here, say for example, okay. Okay, so this is the message from customer end. So definitely we can go back here, we can just refresh this thing, so it will be here available here in under the message. You can see customer saying okay. So now all the logs are automatically been generated. Whatever task you will perform, automatically all the log will be generated out here. So if you think it is completely resolved, so you can just go back to my ticket and you can put this ticket. Let me go back here. So let me go back here and I'll say it's resolved, right? So I can easily, very easily, I can just drag and drop here, right? So now the customer is satisfied. So definitely we will wait. Every company has their own set of standards, right? Somebody wants to wait for 12 hours, 24 hours, maybe 72 hours, 1 week or 2 week or whatever the standard you guys have. Okay, so you can, after that you can just click on this application and you can simply click on the close button. So you can provide a remark before closing, so why you are closing, right? So let me say all the issues resolved. Okay, all the issues resolved. Say for example, submit the remark and you can see your ticket is now under the close section. Okay, so it is closed. Let me go back to my tickets. Now you can see I do not have any ticket here, pending here. Okay, so say for example, this is one option where customer can automatically, you know, generate the ticket and you will see all the progress. Say for example, you have received directly call from your customer and he or she is want to raise a complaint on the call. So definitely you can directly go under my tickets. Here we have the option called raise ticket. So you can directly raise ticket. Now we have two options. One is default form, if you want just the default information, right, like name, email ID and the subject and the details, remarks. Okay, so if you want to use the custom form, whatever the custom form you have created, all the customer form will be listed out here. So you can click here, you can see we have created the custom form called TGM Academy Support. Let me click here and you can see we have the exact form available, which was, you know, we have created under the custom. So that's how you can raise the ticket from here as well. Let me go back and you can see all the parameters are perfectly working and fine. Okay, so now if you want to use this ticket, so ticket application, so you can directly register to our website, which is tgmbizo.com, and you can use this application for 30 days for free. And if you like, you can directly switch to our paid version, right? And paid versions are very minimum costing we have kept. You don't have to pay per application, you just have to pay by user. Once you paid any amount, you can use any of the application which we are already launched or we are launching in coming futures. Okay, so there are also a lot of options we are enabling here. Say for example, you want if somebody some customer, you know, raising a complaint, so definitely they should be, you know, sent a email. So definitely email option will be there very soon. Maybe next week we are going to launch that. So once that is done, so definitely you can launch the, you can directly, whatever the action you will take on that particular application, the complaint, so definitely your customer will receive the email that stating whatever the action you have taken. Okay, so that's how this complete ticket system is working. So if you like this, so definitely you can just register on our website, which is tgmbizo.com, and use it for your organization. We will help you if you have any technical issues. So definitely we are always there for you to support, right? So you can directly call on these numbers which are available there on our official website here, right? So under the contact us, you can directly click on the contact us and you will see all the details, like you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, the email IDs, and maybe you can also register through our you can reach out through our the support form. Okay, so that's all for this ticket application. I hope this application will help you to streamline your organization support system.